Tired of chasing after payments and dealing with outdated systems? Apple Pay offers a seamless and secure way to get paid, and in the next minute and a half, I'll show you exactly how to set it up for your business or personal account. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to ensure you have a compatible iPhone or iPad. Then, open the Wallet app. If you already have cards set up for making payments, you're halfway there. Next, look for the Add button, usually a plus sign in the top right corner. Tap on it. You'll see a few options. Select debit or credit card, and then follow the on-screen prompts to add your card. Apple will verify your card information with your bank. To receive payments as a business, you'll want to explore Apple Business Chat. While you can receive money person to person using Apple Cash, Business Chat offers more robust tools for customer service and payment requests. Unfortunately, Apple Business Chat requires you to register through Apple Business Register. Visit the website on your computer to get started. This is essential for businesses seeking to fully integrate Apple Pay. If you are running a business, also consider integrating Apple Pay through a payment gateway. Popular options like Stripe and Square allow you to accept Apple Pay both online and in physical stores. Once set up, accepting payments is simple. You will receive a confirmation directly on your device. For security, Apple Pay uses tokenization, which replaces your actual card details with a unique digital identifier for each transaction. This keeps your financial information safe. Finally, remember to review your Apple Pay settings within the Settings app to manage your cards and payment preferences. And that's it. You're now ready to receive payments through Apple Pay. Enjoy the ease and security it brings to your transactions.